Hello, today's tutorial with WoundReference will be in the hyperbaric oxygen module and will focus on the hyperbaric oxygen physician's order overview, which is located under the indications bucket. If you click here on the HBO physician's orders overview, you can see content that you can scroll through, or you can access the topic outline for anything you need. When looking at a physician order, this will tell you what a physician order set is, when a physician order is needed, what should a physician order include, and then below our list of all UHMS-approved hyperbaric indications with a sample physician order to the right. We focus on chronic refractory osteo. We simply click on the icon, and what appears is a PDF of a sample physician order. You can use this to print off as a resource or use it as an actual order. In this, the content includes the treatment table, the diagnosis, the pressure, frequency, air breaks if ordered, total treatments ordered, whether you'd like cardiovascular monitoring, medications that may need to be ordered pre-treatment or during treatment, possible labs, wound care, and restraints if necessary.